All right, next example. How many cups are in a gallon? All right, so let's write the original thing they gave us. They just gave us a gallon, right? Like, we're trying to figure out cups. I'm just going to write 1G over here. The next step is to draw my chart like this. Okay. Then I'm going to put the units that I need to figure out on top. So we want my answer to be in cups. So I'll just write C for cups. Because again, there's no other unit for what we're dealing with. Starts with C. Yes?
Can you show step 3?
Okay. Put desired units on top. Then we're going to put the original units on bottom. So we want to put gallons on bottom so that they will cancel. Okay. And for this example, I'm going to show you the second way to do this, in case you want a second way to do it. Now we just need to figure out how many cups are in a gallon. Going back to our chart. Let's use some logic here. I know that there's 8 ounces in a cup, right? Mm-hmm. Well, let's do it this way. We said there's 4 cups in a quart and 4 quarts in a gallon. What's 4 times 4? 16. The other way to do this is there's 8 ounces in a cup, but there's also 128 ounces in a gallon. So it'd be 128 over 8 also gives you 16. There's a lot of different ways to do it, but it all hinges on that chart. So I'm going to do 16 on top and 1 on bottom. The gallons will cancel, and 1 times 16 gives you 16 cups. Okay. Now here's the other way to do it. I'm going to do it right below here. So we're starting with 1 gallon. And we do want to end up with cups, but you can use a bridge. You can always use ounces as the bridge. Every unit can be written as ounces except for tablespoons and teaspoons. So right off the bat, how many ounces in a gallon? How many ounces in a gallon?
128.
Thank you. So for your bridge, you can always use ounces. Okay, what that will do is that will cancel gallons, but then you need to go from ounces to what? To cups, right? Mm-hmm. So how many? So you're going to put ounces on the bottom to cancel it and cups on top. All right, how many ounces are in a gallon? I mean in cup, sorry.
8.
8. So you put 8 on the bottom, 1 on top. Your ounces were canceled, and now you have 128 on top and 8 on bottom. So it just becomes 128 over 8,
16.
which still gives you 16 cups. So if you're having a problem going straight from one to the other, always use ounces as the bridge, okay? 9 times out of 10. Ounces relates everything.